Veo 3.1, along with several other powerful AI video generators, can actually be used to create videos for free and even unlimited times. But the question is, how? Meta AI. If I go into the Vibes section inside Meta AI, you'll notice that most of the videos here appear in a vertical format. Because of this, a lot of people assume that this AI can only generate vertical videos, but that's not actually true. If you use the system the right way, you can also create horizontal videos with it. At the bottom, you'll see several options that allow you to generate images as well as videos. First, click on Create Image. Now here you'll see the option to change the aspect ratio. From here, you can choose whether you want your content in horizontal or vertical format. After that, paste your prompt here and press Enter. Within a few seconds, 4 horizontal images will be generated in front of you. Now select the image you like the most and click on it. Once you open it, you'll notice several style options available. For example, if I select the anime style, after a few seconds the same image will be converted into an anime style version. In the same way, you can choose any style you want and convert your image into that specific look. Now if you want to turn this image into a video, simply click on Animate. As soon as you do that, the image will automatically start converting into a video. But if you want the animation to happen exactly the way you want, then click on Custom Animate. Paste your animation prompt here and click Animate. Now if you look here, you'll see that the image has started animating into a video. You can click here to preview the video, and if you like the result, you can also download it directly from here. Now, if you already have your own image and you want to animate it, select Create Video from here. Then click on the plus icon and upload your image. After that, paste your animation prompt below and click Animate. Within a few seconds, your image will be converted into a video, which you can download from here. By the way, I know many of you watch my videos regularly, but I don't actually know where you're watching from. So go ahead and comment the name of your city or country below, and also leave a nice comment. The best comment will get pinned in the comment section. Now, Meta AI does have 2 major limitations. First, it cannot directly generate horizontal videos from text prompts. And second, it doesn't generate sound along with the video. To solve both of these problems, the next AI tool we're going to look at is Grock AI. However, after the latest update, Grock AI only provides a 7-day free trial, and after that you normally have to purchase the premium plan. But if you are using the Grock mobile app, the update hasn't fully rolled out there yet. So in many cases, you can still generate unlimited videos inside the app. Click on Imaging at the top. Here you'll notice that many users have already generated videos and images, which you can explore for inspiration. To create your own video, click here. First, paste your prompt, then select the video option. After that, open the video settings. From here, you can choose whether you want the video in vertical format or horizontal format. Once everything is set, click on Generate. Within a few moments, a high-quality AI video will be created, and you can download it directly from here. This AI tool doesn't just generate great videos, it can also generate excellent images. For that, simply paste your image prompt, select image, choose whether you want the image horizontal or vertical, and click Generate. Instead of generating just one image, it will create multiple images at once. You can simply download whichever one you like the most. Now let's say you want to animate one of these images. All you have to do is write what kind of animation you want, and once you click Generate, the image will start animating accordingly. And again, you can download the final video from here. If you already have your own image and want to animate it, go to Imaging, then click Animate Image. Upload your image here, paste your text-to-video prompt, and click Generate. Your video will start generating, and after a short time, you'll be able to download and watch the result. Now, if you purchase the premium plan, you'll be able to generate videos up to 10 seconds long. But the next AI tool we're going to look at can generate 8-second videos completely free. And that tool is Veo 3.1. Open Chrome browser and search for Gemini Business Search, then open this website. Or you can also find the direct links to all these tools on my Telegram channel, so you can access them from there as well. You might face some issues signing up with your Gmail account, so the easiest option is to use a temporary email. Click on Add Another Account, enter your email, and complete the sign-up process. Once you reach this page, click here at the top and scroll down. Then click on Add to Home Screen. After that, click Add, and then Add Automatically. This will save the website as an app on your home screen, so you can open it directly from there anytime. When you open it, you'll see Gemini Nano Banana at the top and Veo below it. Select Veo, paste your prompt, and press Enter. Within a short time, your AI video will be generated, which you can download and watch from here. Now, if you're thinking about creating videos from images, it can be a bit tricky here. For example, if I upload this image and try to convert it into a video using a prompt, the generated result can look quite different from the original image. That's because sometimes character consistency, background consistency, and scene consistency are not perfectly maintained. However, the good thing is that you can generate unlimited videos here. All of these videos will also be available on my Telegram channel, so you can check them out there as well. And if you want to create longer videos with character consistency using Grock AI, you can watch my other video. In that video, I've explained the entire process in proper detail step by step.